Hello, this is Mark from Always Soul 123 doing a small video walk around for 2015 Honda Fit. Nice, beautiful blue color, guys. Let's look at it quickly. Low miles, guys. I believe like 50-60,000 miles. Alright, look at that. Does have sunroof. We'll have a Carfax on the website, which is alwayssoul123.com. Let's take a look. Alright. Let's start from the front, of course. Front bumper looks very nice. I don't see any scratches on it. Hood has some rock chips right there, you can see. I don't see any damages. Used to be certified pre-owned Honda. It still has the Honda windshield, so I'm guessing nobody ever broke the original one. Now we got a fender. Fender looks nice. Few rock chips right here. And tires are about where is the tire size? 185 55/16. All right, the tire is not new, tell you right away. Okay, this door doesn't have any damages. I don't see any dents, scratches on this door also. Okay, this tire is right here. It's a Bridgestone, so it looks like the back tires are actually newer, or maybe even new. All right, we'll go on the quick look at that. Beautiful, no rust car, guys. So we can ship you the car if you're in Ohio, Chicago, New York, you want a Florida Honda, please call us. Door panel, very cool. I like it. No scratches. This is so cool right here. You got a dashboard monitor. The seats are very solid. They're not stinky. It does not smell like cigarettes or anything here. No dogs, no cats, no raccoons. Okay, take a look. There's a book. Okay, original floor mats right there, clean. I'm guessing this is okay, so vehicle has keyless entry. Okay, that's why the bottom is. So we'll go back here. Door panel is nice, everything looks good. We're gonna run the car right now and see how the windows work. The seats are perfect. Like I said, guys, the interior is very nice and the headliner is good. It's not sagging or anything. Alright, so I'm gonna open up this, take a look. Alright, everything is here. Let's see. Okay, spare is here. So again, you got everything's here. I don't see any like I said, there's no rust. Beautiful car. Okay, quarter panel looks good right here. Maybe feel like a few dings. The seats are good. You have some rock chips, guys. So here we're gonna try to get the touch up and we'll put it up right here. Okay, this door looks good. This door looks good. A few rock chips here. Right here. Driver door looks good. All the stickers right there on the panels. Cool cup holder here. Okay. It got 65,657 with miles. Okay, it does have this monitor. So these are the lights. Sunroof works. I'll close this shade. Okay. So I don't know how these what's here. Got a phone audio settings. You can connect your phone. Okay. Okay, very nice. Super cold. Alright. Typical Honda. Hondas are usually known by being very cold air conditioners. You got that little piece of leather dashboard insert, to look a little better. I like it, it's so quiet. So now all the windows work, guys. Take a look. Alright, so we don't have any issues. Okay, so that's the sound comes out when you keep the key in your pocket. Okay. Honda, guys. It's a Honda time. It's a Honda time. Earth Dreams technology. Okay, whatever that means. Guys, friendly disclosure. This vehicle, beautiful car, is sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. Shipping $1 to $1.50 a mile. Any way you like. Just take a zip code to your zip code and you see your distance. Also, your paperwork could be done remotely. Everything will be done through DocuSign, so you don't have to do anything. It takes you 2 minutes to sign the paperwork, or maybe 5 seconds. Feel free to call us if you have any questions. Email us. Like I said, send the pigeon with the little note. We'll get them. Thank you so much. God bless, and bye bye.